Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on using Sora by Overdrive, the student reading app. To get to Sora, go to your Clever portal. Click Log in with Google. Then select your school email account. Scroll down to the bottom of Clever to look for the Sora app icon. And here it is, this little guy right here. Click the little heart in the upper right corner to move it to your favorites list. That way it will be right at the top the next time you go to log in. On the Sora homepage, click Find My School. The built-in location finder should automatically help you locate your school. When you find the Stanwood Camano School District, click This is my school. Then click Sign in using Stanwood Camano School District. Click the X, and you're ready to get started exploring. Begin on the Explore tab. See what books are available now. Or search by popular subjects. Look at all the new ebook editions, new audiobook editions, or see what's most popular. Under a specific category, see what books are available to borrow immediately. Or, if it's not available, place a hold.
Borrow or place a hold with a single tap. When you borrow a title, start reading immediately by tapping or swiping to get started. If it's a title you've read before, Sora will drop you off exactly where you last left off. Inside an ebook title, tap and hold to define words. Or tap, hold, and drag to leave highlights and notes that stay with your account even after the book has expired. Use the main menu in the upper right-hand corner to search through the book. Jump to a specific chapter. See your notes and highlights, or change your reading settings, such as increasing or decreasing the size of the text, changing the lighting color, or even changing the text style. Earn badges for performing common tasks in Sora. Collect them all and keep track of them on the Sora Me tab, where you'll also find reading statistics, such as how long you've spent reading. Inside an audiobook title, tap to pause or start listening. Tap and drag in the upper right corner to change the narration speed. Set a sleep timer, or even leave a bookmark or note on a passage you'd like to remember. Use the Shelf tab to keep track of your loans and holds, including the ability to edit or suspend your holds, and the ability to renew, return, or tag a title. On the home page, you can see any titles that have been assigned by an educator. Plus, you get quick access to your loans, recently defined words, notes and highlights, and recommended titles. Tapping on See All Notes and Highlights will take you to a page where you can view specific notes, search within them, and even export them. Finally, use the main menu in Sora in the upper right-hand corner to get help quickly and easily. You can also use this tab to manage your downloaded titles.
There are a few more tips I'd like to point out in Sora. First, and most importantly, go ahead and add your public library to your Sora app. Under the Stanwood Camano School District, click the drop-down menu and click Add a Library. You can see I've already added Snow Isle libraries to my Sora account. Or in the upper right corner, click the menu, come down and click Add a Library. Here, begin typing in Snow Isle and it should locate your library. Then click This is my library to add Snow Isle libraries to your Sora app. Under the Explore tab, you can search for books that are available now, or you can search by popular subjects. To narrow down your choices even further, click on the search bar at the top. Make sure and check Search all of my libraries. Then click over to More Options. This allows you to search by title or author. You can also narrow your search by format, whether you want to search audiobooks, ebooks, or both. You can search by specific subjects or language. Under Audience, you can choose from juvenile, young adult, or general adult. Under Interest Levels, you can select a grade level range. Perhaps you only want to search for grades 9 through 12. You can also select a range of Lexile scores. Or you can select by text difficulty, which is specific by grade level. Once you've made your selections, click Search. The details of your search results will be at the top. It will break it down for you into various categories, such as young adult fiction, fiction, romance, and so forth. You can take your search options out by simply clicking the little X. Under the Shelf tab at the bottom, you can see what books you have checked out, or if you have anything on hold, your current lists, and your checkout history. Under the Me tab, you can see some statistics, such as how many books you've opened or how much time you've read. I hope this video was helpful. Start searching for your ebooks and audiobooks today.